initially my project was around embroidery, but they were very interested in knitting. And they are, as you probably know better than I do, they are absolutely expert knitters. And some, totally experts and some not so. But then the community that built up with the skill sharing and with providing them with materials. Initially we had very little money, so we provided them with kind of cheap materials, and whatever they would produce was just absolutely beautiful, and there was just so much joy in what they made. So every week they would come back and they would show their stuff, and we would all just be so thrilled at what they had made. Anyway, so that's how the group actually came together, and we ended up staying together for 8 years. So it was a long project. I'm still in contact with a lot of the women. They're around. And so, yeah, that's how the project came together. Money is always a challenge, right? I mean, I think for a lot of our seniors, because they were one, refugees, two, they were also, all of them experienced PTSD because of the violence and the genocide that they had experienced. So initially when they came, none of them worked. They came at an age where sort of just navigating the system was hard, but they ended up on something that we call here in the United States, it's Social Security. It's a very small amount of money, and you can get space in rent control housing. So for these women, their lives really were very constricted in what they could afford in their lives. So what we did really was kind of under the table because, it wasn't money that they were making as a living, but it was supplemental money, really. So the question of money is always interesting because, when you sell their products, so the idea came out of like our own conversations when they started to make and they started to come every week. And, it wasn't like a group where people came and only made in the group and then went home. So the women would actually take the materials home. And when they took those materials home, they came back on a weekly basis with just like the knitting and the crocheting just became part of their everyday life. They knitted and crocheted while they were watching TV, while they were, like every aspect of their life just got sort of imbued with the knitting and crocheting. So I tell you the story of this one woman who was a South Asian woman, and she had never worked in her life. And she was kind of shy about money. So she'd made a couple of things, we sold her things, I came back and I gave her the money, and she would speak to me in Urdu. And so as I gave her the money, at first she said, no, I don't, this is okay, you keep it. I said, no, this is your money. We sold your products. And so she took the money. And then a few days later, she came back. After a couple of times she had gotten money, she came back and she said, she's speaking to me in Urdu, and she says, I just want you to know, I have money to go grocery shopping. It's not that I don't. But this money is so sweet, that I will not just spend it on anything. She said, I have to really think. And she said, I use it to buy my grandchildren things. I use it to buy special things for people. So you could just see the relationship and the kind of power people experience when they are able to have something that is actually from their own labor. So how did the market respond? So we began to sell mostly at craft markets, right? So there was the craft market. There were people that we knew in the community. One of our grant person who actually gave us a grant to support our project. She had a big sale at her home, invited all her friends. We would do like every year, there would be like our new collection would come out. So we went from making stuff with, cheap yarn to really helping the ladies understand color theory. We collaborated with a fashion designer who came in and set up these storyboards, set up very specific, not necessarily patterns, but ideas of what they could make. So they began to really understand design and color and the production as a very important part than just it being, so we went from let's do it for leisure to coming to a place where it was marketable, right? So every year when the new lookbook would come out, then we would do like a little fashion show at my home. I would invite my friends and families. But in the Chicago area, we have a number of different organizations, from churches to different organizations that will hold craft sales. And so we became part of that. And so I think one year we ended up making like $12,000, which was the most that we had ever done. And it's wonderful to see how many people are engaged in this. And I also see that, our current generation of young women, feminists, and actually people across the gender spectrum who are taking up knitting, crocheting, and all of that. So I think there's a real power there right now that is being harnessed. And yet at the same time, there is that I want to caution people, right? Like when somebody asks me how did I learn how to do, or where my interest for craft comes in, of course I say, oh, my mom taught me everything. And then I also say, I come from a country where crafts are really like so important. And yet I have to also remember the kind of labor done by a craftsperson versus the labor done by somebody like me, who has the ability to actually have access to the best materials, and if I don't use them, no big deal, right? So I think there's a certain level of privilege I have to contend with, that, the craft industry is also becoming a increasingly capitalist venture. So it's important to remember that part, that, we can come to this work from a very well-meaning viewpoint. We think we want to make intervention. We think we're bringing these materials and they can really help people. And I really want to sort of disturb the well-meaningness, because at the end of the day, things may not add up in somebody else's life. Like what might give me meaning may not necessarily give another person meaning. So I also want to think about what is culturally specific for people. And that example really comes out of, even my own project that I went to work with South Asians, and they didn't show up. And within that same group of people were also the Bosnians, but their interest was not in embroidery. Their interest was really in knitting and crocheting. So I really think it's important for us to connect to the community and see what the community's needs are, and what and how a project can really be beneficial in those spaces. And oftentimes we see with social practitioners, where they go in, it becomes more about documenting the work and leaving. And so there has been a lot of harm and abuse. So really being able to think about the various facets of the work, and whether we have consent to use or do the work in an ethical way. So I think the ethics of practice is really important. So while there's so much joy in this work, there's a lot of conflict also, So I think one of the things that we did in the So Design Studio was really, when our first conflict happened, people got really upset at each other, and one person left. We then created a contract, and the contract was very clear about, what you can expect from us and what we expect from you. And one of the things in there that we put in, that if there was conflict, that people would be invested in conflict resolution and not just leave. Because that was hard, because it became a person's word over another person's word. So I think that was the moment in which we felt like, again, because of language difference, we didn't know how to resolve it, but then we all had to really engage with that and really come to the table for us to talk about what was working and what was not working, right? Equity is another thing about yarn, like who was taking how much yarn. The other piece was, whose pattern is this? Because they were just making from what they were seeing, right? If they would share their pattern or not. So there were little things that would emerge that were very endearing, but they were also sort of, very human. Like, we're all competitive. Like, are you going to take my pattern? Are you going to make that and you're going to sell it? So those kinds of things came into play a lot, and that we had to have those conversations. But that also meant that sometimes I left feeling really horrible, going, oh my God, I guess I didn't figured I wasn't able to help these women really think this through. And remember, these women are like my mom's age, so I always would say, I don't have one mother, I have like 11 moms. So 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 with that said, I think it became really important to have my own supervision for me to figure out my own stuff, where it was coming from, because sometimes I could get really upset at the women. But how could I bring back that sense of compassion? Right? So that sense of, compassion back into having those conversations where even I could have left sometimes and said, I don't want to deal with this anymore. So conflict is something that is inherent in any kind of collaboration, and we really, really need to understand how to deal with that. Let me tell you, this work was the hardest work I ever did, because of so much of love for these women who were just phenomenal, and they were so enterprising, because each of these women took on different roles in terms of leadership.